cars. No. Okay. What are we gonna do? I don't know. We have to find a car. Fast. Oh, look, there's one right there. Yay! Oh, look at all those cars. I know, they're all so cool. Oh, look, there's a blue one over there. Oh, I see a red one over there. Oh, wow, that's cool. Oh my God, there's a gold one. Whoa. I wish we had a better car, right, Arlen? Yeah. I want one that's like a race car that goes super fast, right, Arlen? Yeah. Those cars are so cool. What color? Like a black one? Oh, that would be cool. Maybe not some old and rusty car like ours. Yeah. One that's cool and new and will go super fast. We can get faster than this one. Yep, that would be fun. Whoa! I can't believe our wish worked. Yeah, it's a little tight, but it works. Yep. Let's try out, see how fast it goes. Now we're going nice and slow. Oh, look at that little bush. Yeah. Look at all those flowers over there. This is a real nice neighborhood, right? Yeah. Okay, we finally made it. Yeah. Now, and we set it all up. Yep. Here we go. Snacks for sale. Snacks. Come and get your snacks. Oh, we have a line of customers. Oh, hi, little minion. What would you like from our food truck?
Banana. Do we have banana?
I'm sorry, we have no banana.
Cheez-It.
Oh, you want Cheez-Its?
Oh,
would you like
grazie.
Yeah, here you go.
Banana. No banana?
Okay. Okay, good job. Oh, we have another one. Hi. What would you like from our food truck?
Oh, hello there.
Okay, what would you like?
What do you have?
We have Jack in the Box fries. We have Pizza Hut wings. We have some candy. We have a smoothie, coffee. We have some Cinnabon. We also have Jack in the Box burger and breakfast burrito. We have some hot dogs,
Pretzel.
a burrito,
A pretzel.
cherry.
All right. I'll have the wings
Okay.
and for my bear breath, some Mentos.
Okay.
That's all.
There you go.
How much is this?
Oh, it's $2.
$2. All right. I will go ahead and pay you right there. Thank y'all.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hi, Mickey.
Oh, hi. What would you like from our food truck?
Hey, pals, how's it going?
Good.
What do you have here? It looks like you have a ton of goodies.
Yeah, what would you like?
Well, it's actually Toodle's birthday today, and I want to surprise him with something yummy.
What does Toodles like?
He likes everything, but I think he really likes some sweet treats.
Oh, we have tons of sweet treats. We have bubble gum, lollipops, and airheads. Oh, and some Peeps.
Oh, I think he'll take some Peeps and some bubblegum.
Okay. Is that all?
I think that's all. Thanks, pals.
Okay.
Here.
And that would be $2, please.
Put it on my tab.
Oh, hi, Stitch. Welcome to our food truck. What would you like?
I don't know yet. Thinking, trying to decide. Lena wants fries.
Fries? Okay. Would you like anything, Stitch?
Yeah, everything.
No, you can have everything, Stitch.
What? Everything. I want to buy everything. Everything.
You can't. Come on, Stitch. You can pick only like...
I have money and I want to buy everything.
No, Stitch.
It's for my Ohana. I'm the party.
Stitch, you could get one more thing.
Why don't you want to sell everything to me?
Stitch, you can only sell... You can't buy
Why?
everything.
Says who?
Me.
You have no more customer. I want
So more
everything.
can come
I
later.
want everything for my party.
No, you can pick 3 more
Ugh,
things.
bye.
You can have.
I don't want anything else.
You can
Bye-bye.
have. You can have that. You can
You can have 3 more things.
No, I want everything.
Stitch, 3 or nothing.
You can have this.
No, I don't.
No, I want everything.
No.
No, 3 or nothing.
Okay, I'm going to HEB. Bye. Oh, look, guys. A spaceship. Look up at the spaceship.
What? Yeah. Stitch! We have to go get him in Hawaii. I don't touch the car. We have to make a wish. I wish we could go to Hawaii to catch Stitch. 3, 2, 1. Whoa!